Welcome to the live demonstration of TripValid lifestyle travel portal from App Champions. Today we are going to see the live portal, how to log on, how to get the benefits, and how our portal gives you the best wholesale price in the travel industry. To log on to our portal, you need to first go to the website www.yepchampions.com, and then you have the login page and you use your username password and log on to the website. When you log on to the website, you will have this back office where you will have access to all the products coming with your membership. Now you can see below the travel portal link is available. I'm going to click on the travel portal link to access to the travel website. Imagine I'm going to travel to Dubai, one of the most attractive and the most popular tourist destination in the world, having the tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa, and some of the most popular, the biggest shopping malls in the world, attracting all the tourists across the globe. So let me choose Dubai as the destination. It gives me the option to select and choose 3 months down the line, which is June 3rd to June 9th, around 6 days, and let me click on search. You can see that it is not only searching for the hotels in our portal but also doing a search on many other portals and giving you a comparison chart. Once the website opens, I will show you that. And you can see that the first hotel has 74% discount, which is Holiday Inn, one of the most popular hotels. And not only one hotel, you can browse down. You can see the next hotel has 64%, 57%, 57, at least for 20 to 30 hotels in the international tourist destination, you will have the best discount. You can see here, it gives the public price. How did it calculate the public price? It has the comparative public price list here. From there, it has chosen the best price. On the best price, 74% discount, which is from 687, 74% discount is $511, and the actual price after discount turns out to be $176. Unbelievable, isn't it? So you can see in all other portals like Expedia.com, Hotels.com, CheapTickets.com, Travelocity, Orbitz, Hotwire, in all other places it's 687, but in our portal it is 176. However, you will not be able to believe what you are seeing here. Let me go back and check with Booking.com, which is the #1 travel portal in the world in terms of turnover and profit because of the best prices they provide. And let me choose the same hotel, cut and paste the hotel, and search for the same days, June 3rd to June 9th, and search. So I'm doing it live for you to believe what I'm showing you here. And guys, just watch out the prices below. It is $561 plus $142 as tax, totally coming to $703. $703 from June 3rd to June 9th, 6 nights in Booking.com. The same hotel in our portal is 687 minus 511, and it's just $176. Unbelievable, isn't it? We will not just believe in one search. Let's go ahead and look at the other hotels. Let me browse through it. Yes, we have Millennium Central Downtown Hotel. Basically, this is where the tallest building in the world is located. Downtown is the central place of Dubai. So let me copy this hotel, and the price is $560 with a discount of $297, and the price after discount is $264, and in all other portals it is $560. Let's again go back to booking.com, search for the same hotel. Here we go. The other one is in Kuwait, but let me select the Dubai one and search. So you can see once again the price is $653 for 6 nights plus $172, which is around $825 in booking.com, wherein we provide you just 264. You can check 264. Unbelievable, isn't it? Still, let me further go down and check any other popular hotel. Yes, here we have Grand Hyatt Hotel, which is the most popular hotel in Dubai. When you are coming from the airport, it comes on the right hand side. Very popular hotel, and many of the top events happen in this hotel, and the price is for 6 nights $1,022, and the discount is $510, which is 50%, and the total price with tax is $512. In all other portals it is $1,022 or $1,101. Let me go back and check at booking.com for the same dates. So Grand Hyatt, search. You can see that booking.com says it's giving a discount, and the discounted price is $809 plus $215 as discount, which is $1,024 including tax. $1,024 in our portal is just $512. Guys, with these three comparisons, you would have understood the kind of discounts provided by our website. Not just that, you can not only search for hotels, but you can look at cruises, which are ocean cruises, river cruises, sailboats and yachts, and you can go for rented cars, flights, and many other activities in the tourism field, and you can also share it with the timeshare owners for your hotels. Thank you very much for watching the demonstration on Tripilot.